Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken glove easily. First, you need to understand the basic requirements for obtaining this powerful item. You will need to reach at least player level 50 and have accumulated a significant amount of in-game currency, around 15,000 gold pieces. This preparation is key to a smooth acquisition process. Next, prepare for the challenge ahead. You must locate the hidden Kraken cave entrance, which is often found near the treacherous coastal regions. Once inside, you will face 3 distinct mini-bosses. Each one guards a crucial key fragment, so focus on their weaknesses to defeat them efficiently and collect all 3 pieces. After securing all 3 key fragments, proceed to the ancient altar located deeper within the cave. Here, you will combine the fragments to form the complete Kraken key. This key will then grant you access to the Kraken's lair. Be sure your gear is fully repaired and your health potions are stocked for the final, intense battle. Finally, confront the mighty Kraken boss in its lair. This will be a tough fight, requiring strategic thinking and precise execution. Upon its defeat, the Kraken glove will drop as a guaranteed reward, making all your efforts worthwhile. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your new, powerful glove and the advantages it brings to your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.